In this video, we'll show you how to fix microphone not working in Fortnite PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing, of course, you have to make sure that your microphone is working properly, not only on Fortnite, okay? So on desktop, you can go to bottom right on the speaker, right click and go to sound settings. Now here, go down and click more sound settings. Now inside the sound settings, go to recording, and if your microphone is working properly, you can see that this bar is moving. It means that it picked up your voice. If it still doesn't work, try another microphone. And if you have a headset with a mute or unmute feature, make sure you look into that too. Alright, if everything is working properly, we can go to Fortnite settings now. Go to the top right corner on your profile picture and go to settings. Now here, navigate to communication. Now on the voice chat input device, make sure the microphone is correct. You can try to use another one if it doesn't work. After that, voice chat method, make sure this is not on mute. You can toggle it to push to talk or open mic. And now you can go to audio. Under the volume, you'll see voice chat here. Make sure this is not on 0%. So maybe 75 is good. Everything should be working properly now. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.